Marc and Mandy. I'm here with Hussein from Vancouver General Contractors to talk about this gorgeous, open concept, West Coast designed home.
When we first started with the client, we just had an idea that we wanted a beautiful new home, and we didn't really want it to look like every other home on the block.
Well, Hussein, here we are in this exquisite spa-like master bathroom. Talk to me about a few of these finishes.
I agree with you. I do feel like this spa feel really came together really well. So with this bathroom, it was a little bit tricky to put together the overall design, just because it was a little bit of a smaller space. We don't have the luxury of a big sprawled out bathroom where we can put anything wherever we wanted. So we really had to think this through very carefully, and every square inch of this bathroom has a functional purpose.
Right.
So the first thing we wanted to focus on was we did want to have a standalone tub, which we have a beautiful standalone tub
gorgeous.
over here. With that, we have to have double sinks, which is a must-have for any master bathroom.
Absolutely.
And as well as storage space. So storage is a huge factor for anybody in any part of the house, but especially in the bathroom, you want to have some place for your towels, your linen. And the other thing was we had to make room for this beautiful walk-in shower.
It is gorgeous.
It's got a fantastic steam unit, so it really gives you, again, that spa feel. Gives you that relaxing type of energy when you walk into the bathroom. And in order to get that spa feel, we really had to focus on working with neutral colors and neutral tones.
Right.
So as you can see, all of the tiles here are very neutral, so nothing is really loud. That really kind of allows you to relax when you're in here. And we got some beautiful light beige tiles. And with that, we also have this almost seashell light
It's gorgeous.
tile, which kind of gives it a nice little element of kind of being at the sea or at the ocean, and kind of that outdoor space feel. And with that, we got some beautiful dark cabinets, which really complement the light colors that you see in the bathroom.
I absolutely agree. Showstopper, this tub, sculptural, spa-like. Would love to have a big, fabulous shower with the steam element on. And use of space is just brilliant. Love the tiles, love it all, love this house. Definitely a West Coast beauty.
Absolutely, thank you, and I really appreciate that.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.